Lennon, can you say hi?
Hi.
Whoa.
He's walking faster.
I know, he's trying to get Layla.
And he's trying to run.
You see him walking his little jet.
Whoa. Layla, did you just get done vacuuming?
Yeah.
How do you feel?
Sweaty.
You're sweating? Are you tired and beat?
Just sweaty.
No, you're just gonna rest?
Yeah.
Was that hard work?
Yeah.
Alright, Layla, tell us what happened today.
Dad, that was my corn and my mouth. And I touch this again and I breathe in.
What did you swallow? Which one?
Oh no. Something different.
Did you swallow the quarter?
Not that one. Not that big one. I say yeah. Yeah. There's something. Is that grandma? Mama. Grandma. Mama.
Can you say,
Grandma. Mama.
can you say grandpa?
Grandma. A grandpa. What?
Can
Grandpa.
you say...
I got